Hey, I'm in Naples and today I'm gonna explore the most beautiful island around called Capri. So here's the port facility and I think my ship is over there. I got like 10 minutes before I can finish my morning coffee. Enter into the ship. Hey, this is the Capri Island. It's time to explore it. This is Marina Grande area, port facility of Capri. There is a bus which goes up to the village, but you can just walk, and that's what I'm gonna do. I found the beautiful stairs all the way up to Capri. There are a bunch of nice gardens, some cacti, oranges, palm trees. It's actually the city. Christmas tree, lots of tourists. Pretty good. I'm continuing walking and it looks like a labyrinth. You have to find your own way. There are so many streets and stairs. Some cute cats. Hello. Hey cat. There was a second one. Just run away. Hello. The advantage of winter season, zero tourists. I mean, you have some tourists in the downtown. Here I haven't seen anyone so far. Quite a beautiful structure. I'm walking toward another attraction which is Grotto, and I think this is it. Looks quite nice. Look at these stairs. Aren't they amazing? Someone has a really nice villa which you can access only from the sea. Back to the beautiful street with lots of flowers, and you can see the mountain which I will try to climb on. The mountain is getting closer. I started the real hike. I'm in the forest, and here's a small spot from where you can see the whole Capri. The real stuff to push your body. Oops. Ta-da! The beautiful view. The rain is about to start. There are a few drops so far. Unfortunately, I cannot fly my drone. The rain is quite real now, and I forgot my rain jacket because I assumed there will be no rain today. But I'm almost at the top. Here is my destination for today. The rain is kind of end. You can still see this weird cloud coming up and down. You can see lots of birds. I think it's really scary. I think I can launch my drone pretty soon. We have a bunch of tourists on that hill because there is a cable car which can bring anyone who wants to go there. The cloud is back and no more nice views. I just arrived on the top of the mountain and there's an actual cable car like in a ski resort. The guy is screaming this is the last way for cable car. We probably could wait for another hour and just walk, but getting a free cable car is always good. Finally, now you can see Anna Capri, which is there. See the beautiful gardens, villas. We are at people's property. It's kind of nice to have a villa and people can see into your windows through the cable car. Okay, jump off. Jump off! Ah, thank you! Out of my free cable car. Ha ha ha. This is the historical center of Anna Capri. Zero people, because I don't know why, probably because of Christmas. The church. Running children. Now I'm walking to the nearby cliffs to check the sunset. Alright. It's not happy. I've arrived to the sunset spot. Now it's time to go back to Napoli and get some food. So the local car here are really funny. Now I hope I can show you one of those. Yeah. It's like a small for this island. So we made it to the ship. Back to Napoli and it's time for food.